Welcome to this Unacademy CAT4MBA channel, and this is our 2 p.m. show where we are going to discuss, we are going to practice plenty of questions of all the exams other than CAT, ZET and IFT. Right, so as I have been mentioning that we have been focusing a little too much on CAT, but then it's very important for us to focus on these other entrance exams as well. So this is what we do in this series of sessions, right? So this is the second session of quantitative ability, and I'm sure all of you are geared up to practice here. Now before we go ahead, in case if you are attending my session for the first time, so this is a bit about myself. I've been training students for quite some time, and not only myself, we have the best of the educators on this platform, on this channel, that is Unacademy CAT4MBA, and they'll be preparing you for all this entrance exam and all the subjects, right? So make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. Okay, and quickly tell you about the agenda for this session. So we are going to practice QA, DI and miscellaneous topic questions in this session, right? And before that, yeah, this is our channel Unacademy CAT4MBA where you are watching this video, and this is our Telegram channel. So in case if you haven't subscribed to this Telegram channel, do it quickly so that you can enjoy the benefits, right? And if you want to enhance your preparation, you can definitely go for the subscription so that you can get access to mock test series, and you can also interact with the educators on a personal level. So for that, you will see various plans over here. We have this 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and various plans, so you can go for this 12 months plan. That would be helpful, though the CAT is nearby, but then the preparation will continue even afterwards. So these are the pricing, and that's very cost effective, right? And you can apply this referral code SHAH10 so that you can enjoy the 10% waiver as well. Okay guys, so let's crack it. So let me quickly see who all are present. So we have Nicole, Robin. Yeah, good afternoon all of you. Let's begin, guys. Try for this question. As you know, we are straight away going to solve the questions, and then of course I'll explain some important concept related to that, and I'll also help you solve that question. But I want you to try this question first. So quickly tell me the answer. It's a simple question. It's a math question, by the way. So type your answer in the answer box, chat box quickly. A screwdriver and a hammer currently have the same prices, and if the prices of a screwdriver increased by 5% and the price of a hammer increased by 3%, how much more will it cost to buy 3 screwdrivers and 3 hammers, right? So what will be the increase, percentage increase in your purchase price? This is what they have asked. Yeah, hi Dia. Hi Dhriti. So tell me the answer. What is the answer for this question, guys? I mean, I'm sure you don't need to even use pen and paper to answer this question. You can quickly do it. If you want, you can assume prices as 100. Since the prices are same, the question is very simple. So whether I find out percentage change for 1 hammer and 1 screwdriver, or I find out percentage change for 3 hammer, 3 screwdriver, it's going to be the same. In terms of percentages, it's one and same. Okay, so let's think from one's perspective. So this is increasing by 5%. The first one is increasing by 5%. The second one is increasing by 3%. What will be the net increase? Now, please understand, these are not successive changes. Common mistake, guys. It will be 4% average of this two, because the prices are same. Very simple. See, if you want, you can do it this way, that earlier the price of screwdriver was 100 and the price of hammer was also 100. Now this has become 105, this has become 103. So earlier the total price of one screwdriver, one hammer was 200. Now it is 208, right? So this is 4% increase. That's it. Same way you can calculate for 3 hammers, 3 screwdriver, it will remain same, guys. So this was a simple question. Hi Akshata and others. So answer is option B. Are you all clear, guys? So don't make such silly mistake. 8% is a very common answer. So I'm sure now you are clear about this. Let's go ahead with this one. Tell me the answer for this, guys, quickly. Chalo. You need to apply that algebraic formula to solve this question. Okay, so Dia has quickly calculated it's 5. Guys, you know x square minus y square, it's 15x plus y is 3. Can I say x square minus y square is nothing but x plus y and x minus y? Yeah. So this is given as 3. So this has to be 5. Very simple. Isn't that? Okay, so these are the kind of questions that you are asked in MAT exam. So I'm sure you can quickly tackle it. You should be able to solve it in about 10 to 15 seconds. Right? Yeah, some of the MAT questions. Okay. In fact, this question they have uploaded on their website. So if you want, you can go to MAT website, MAT by AIMA. Okay, you go there to their website. They have placed one sample paper. In that, this question is there. Are we clear? Yeah. Okay. Try for this one. Of course, this question is not there. This I have taken from different source. So in a right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 30 degree. Yeah, these exams are much more relaxing than CAT, but that's the reason very few colleges accept this exam score. Na? You'll not find IIMs and other top B school, SPJ and MDI, IMT Ghaziabad and all taking MAT score because they know what is it, right? Fine. But still, yeah, definitely once you practice easy questions, of course, it will also lay strong foundation for your CAT preparation as well, right? So guys, you should know something about this. Is a question related to 30, 60, 90 triangle, and this is a special triangle 30, 60, 90. In fact, if you are attending my geometry sessions on Unacademy Plus platform, then I'm going to discuss this thing today in the evening. Okay, so yeah, once again, so this is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is 30 degree. Now guys, what you need to remember about this 30, 60, 90 triangle is, if I take hypotenuse as 2a, remember this part, if I take hypotenuse as 2a, then side opposite to 30 degree will be half of hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree will be root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. Please remember, side opposite to 30 degree will be half of hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree will be root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. So this will come out to be root 3a, 2a into root 3 by 2a. Correct? Acha, these options are incorrect. Sorry, some problem with the options. Okay, so just remove this option and find out on your own. So guys, now it's very simple. Will you all remember this thing? 30, 60, 90 triangle. Side opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse. Side opposite to 60 degrees root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. So you can say side opposite to 60 degree is always root 3 times side opposite to 30 degree, right? And now what do we need to find out? We need to find out ratio of AB and AC. So actually all these values would not come in the picture. AB is this one, AC is this one. It's always A is to 2A. So it is 1 is to 2. This is always fixed irrespective of what values are you taking, because we are asked to find out ratio. So 1 is to 2 correct. Yes. Okay guys, let's go ahead with this one. Can you tell me what will be the answer for this question? ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. That means all sides and all angles are equal. Each side of the hexagon is 2 meter. So each side is of 2 meter. What is the area of the rectangle? BCEF. So we need to find out this rectangle area. BCEF. This will be a rectangle. This will be 90 degree for sure. Right? Okay. Chalo. Who will tell me the answer? This is 2 meter. Guys. So what will be this length of this diagonal? This is one of the diagonal. Acha, center will be over here. Sakshi is saying it should be 3. So you are saying this is going to be, BE is going to be 3. Is it? Is this 3 meter? Guys? No, it will not be 3 meter. It will come out to be in roots. See, please understand, if I drop a perpendicular over here, so this will become 2 equal triangle. Now, of course, in regular hexagon, the interior angle is of 120 degree. So this will be 60 degree and this will be 30 degree. So side opposite to 60 degree will be root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Let's look at this triangle APE. I'm looking at triangle APE. Okay, remember this thing. So I need to find out this PE, which is side opposite to 60 degree. So it will be root 3 by 2 times 2 meter. That means root 3 meter. So this will also be root 3 meter. So can I say the complete side will be 2 root 3 meter? And we know this is 2 meter. Are you getting this point, guys? So now the area of rectangle is this 2 root 3 meter and this is 2 meter. So I'm sure now you can find out 4 root 3 meter square, right? It should be 4 root 3 meter square. Again, there is some issue with the options. I don't know. Guys, it's 4 root 3 meter square. Have you all understood this? Show me a thumbs up if you all are clear up to this point quickly. Yeah, great. Okay. Let's go ahead, guys. Guys, just excuse me for these options. Right? Okay. There's some typo. Yeah. So now try for this question and then I'll show you a shortcut for this. Because this is in a way a time and work question. So even if you don't know anything about time and work, by using common sense, you can solve all the time and work questions. You know, time and work is mostly about common sense and understanding ratios and some proportionality. नहीं Pranav, एक second. Coming back to previous question, see, if there is a 30 60 90 triangle, side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. ठीक है? And side opposite to 30 degrees is half of hypotenuse. So you know what is the hypotenuse over here? 2 meter. In this triangle APE, the hypotenuse is 2 meter. So root 3 by 2 times 2 meter is root 3 meter. Are we clear, Pranav? So let's try for this question now, everyone. So a worker is digging a trench. He gets 2 assistants who work 2/3 as fast as he does. Okay. So guys, let's assume there are 3 workers A, B, C. Any answer for this question? Any answer for this question? Quickly type it in the answer chat box if you have got the answer. So there are 3 workers. Let me assume that worker A does 3 unit work, right? Worker A does 3 unit work in one day. Why am I taking 3 unit work? Because the other workers are 2/3 as fast as worker A. So can I say worker B should be doing 2 unit work? Yes, that's correct. Yeah, it's 3 by 7. That's correct. And worker C should also be doing 2 units work per day. Guys, are we clear? So worker A alone can complete 3 unit work in one day, while all 3 of them can complete 7 units work, right? So here is their efficiency. Can I say worker A does 3 unit work and worker A, B and C together can complete 7 unit work? So this efficiency is like this: 3 unit is to 7 units. So the days will be, the days required will be, you know, 7 is to 3. So if this takes 7 days, all 3 will be taking 3 days. Guys, please understand. If the ratio of efficiency is 3 is to 7, that means ratio of days is 7 is to 3. That means A alone was doing the work in 7 days earlier. So A, B and C, all of them can do this work in 3 days. Right? That means the work will get over in 3/7 of the day. If you are finding this complicated, let me give you another way. right? Of course you can also think it this way, but let me give you another way. Let's assume the same way. A, B and C, three workers, work done in one day. So A does 3 unit work in one day, B does 2 unit work in one day, because B and C are 2/3 as fast as A, and C also does 2 unit work in one day. Okay, now let's assume the total work as 21 units. The total work as 21 units. So A alone will take, I have taken 21 so that I can divide it by 3 as well as 7. So A alone will take 7 days. But if A, B and C, all of them are working, then they'll finish 3 plus 2 plus 2, 7 unit work in one day. So 21 units work, they'll finish in 3 days. So earlier A was taking 7 days, now they together are taking 3 days. So it has become 3/7 of the previous time, right? Guys, have you all understood? Show me a thumbs up if you all have understood. If you have any query, then type it in the chat box so that I can address that. Yeah, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead. One more question, everyone. Try for this one. What will be the angle between two hands at 8:45 p.m.? What will be the answer? Will it be 0 degree, 7.5 degree, 15 degree? None of this. Someone is saying C, 15 degree. No, it's not 15 degree. Sakshi, that's incorrect. Dia is saying B. Yeah, that's correct. So guys, let me show you this question. In fact, let's understand a bit of clocks. Okay, it's about clocks. In fact, guys, let me tell you, in clocks, they'll ask you two types of questions. One set of question like this one where you will do straight calculation. These are easy question. The another set of question which are complicated question where you will have to use concept of relative speed. Relative speed of minute hand and hour hand. So we'll have to use that concept. Here, this is a simple question. So of course you understand this clock is a circle and the complete angle is 360 degree, right? So remember this thing, everyone. Please, if you want, you can note down this point. Minute hand travels 360 degree in 1 hour. Matlab in 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, minute hand travels 360 degree. Hour hand travels only 30 degree. Yes or no? Suppose this is 12 o'clock position. Both the hands are over here. So at 1 o'clock, hour hand will be over here while minute hand will once again come to the same position. So this clock is divided in 12 such partitions. So each of this angle will be 30 degree. 30 degree and so on and so forth. Are you getting this point? So hour hand travels 30 degree in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, and minute hand travels 360 degree in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. So can I say in 1 minute, we are just trying to revise the basics. In 1 minute, minute hand travels 6 degree distance in angular distance, and hour hand travels, half degree distance, or you can say 0.5 degree distance. Yes, everyone, are you clear up to this point? Okay, now let's understand this question. This question where we need to find out, this one 8:45. What will be the time? What will be the angle between two hands at 8:45? So let me take this as 9. This is 12. This is 3. This is 6. So can I say at 8:45 the minute hand will be pointing to exactly 9, but hour hand will be slightly behind minute hand, because at 9 o'clock hour hand is going to be here. At 9 o'clock hour hand will be exactly pointing at the 9 position. So at 8:45 it will be slightly before that. So how much will it be behind this 9 number? Okay, so can I say in 60 minutes, hour hand, I'm talking about hour hand travels 30 degree. So in 15 minutes hour hand will travel 7.5 degree. So that means the hour hand must be 7.5 degree behind the 9 o'clock position. because at 9 o'clock it's going to be exactly at 9. So 15 minutes before that it will be 7.5 degree behind that. So this angle has to be 7.5 degree. Guys, are you all clear with this point? Yes? If you have any confusion, then let me know. And if you are clear, then tell me what will be the angle between two hands at 7:20 p.m. Find the angle between two hands at 7:20. Please calculate this. The angle between two hands at 7:20. Chalo, who will get me the first answer for this one? Someone is saying 100 degree. Yeah, looks correct. Let's quickly understand. Should be 100 degree. 7:20. Yeah, 100 degrees correct. So those who didn't get, pay attention. Once again, let's quickly understand. So this is your clock and identify the 7:20 position first of all. Can I say at 7:20 your minute hand will be over here pointing at number 4 and the hour hand will be slightly ahead of this position, 7th position. Hour hand will be slightly ahead of that. So first of all, let's calculate what is the angle between this 4 and 7. Can I say 4 and 7 angle is 120 degree? Because each these two numbers, angle between these two numbers is 30 degree. So this three numbers will be 100 degree. Oh, sorry, 90 degree, three numbers. So 90 degree, guys. Yes or no? This angle between 4 and 7 is 90 degree. Now we need to find out this angle, this extra angle. So can I say in 20 minutes, our hand will travel 10 degree. So this angle will actually be 10 degree. So total angle from this position to this position, this total angle will be 90 plus 10 degree. That is 100 degree. Yeah, I think many of you had answered it correctly. So that's a good thing. So I'm sure all of you have understood this part and you have understood the basics of clocks also, right? So now you can think of any question. Okay guys, I have one more question before we go ahead. So I have one more question. Can you tell me about this question? In a day, a day is always of 24 hours. Remember this thing. In a day, how many times the angle between minute hand and hour hand, angle between minute hand and hour hand is 180 degree? How many times in a day this angle between minute hand and hour hand becomes 180 degree? Can you tell me? एक दिन में कितनी बार ये एंगल दो हैंड्स के बीच का एंगल 180 डिग्री होता है? दोस्तों जैसे 6 बजे 180 डिग्री होता है, राइट? तो वैसा और कितनी बार होता होगा? 22 times. Pranav, precisely, Pranav has answered it correctly. It's 22 times. Guys, 12 घंटे में 11 बार होता है, ये याद रखना. 12 घंटे में 11 बार होता है, तो 24 घंटे में 22 बार होता है. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो फन टू अंडरस्टैंड. सी नॉर्मली हर एक घंटे में एक बार मिनट हैंड एंड आवर हैंड आमने सामने हो जाते हैं, मतलब स्ट्रेट लाइन में आ जाते हैं, 180 डिग्री का एंगल बन जाता है. तो जैसे 12 और 1 के बीच में कब होगा? व्हेन बिटवीन 12 एंड 1 दिस एंगल बिकम्स 180 डिग्री. सो ऑफ कोर्स समवेयर एट 12:35 or so, 12:33 or so, that angles become 180 degree. Then between 1 and 2, somewhere close to 1 o'clock 43 minutes or 1 o'clock 42 minutes, that angle becomes 180 degree. Okay, same way 3 o'clock 2 and 3 it will become 180 degree, and so on and so forth. But between 5 and 6 and 6 and 7 it happens only once, that is exactly at 6 o'clock. Okay, between 5 and 7 instead of 2 times it happens only 1 time. So in 12 hours this angle becomes 180 degree for 11 times. So in 24 hours it will become 180 degree for 22 times. So answer is 22, correct. Are you all clear with this point, everyone? Same way, the different questions that have been asked in CAT exam previously, of course no one asked now the straight question, but yes, you may find it in exam like MAT, SNAP, CMAT and all. So they may ask you this question also, how many times this angle become 90 degree, and another question, how many times will they be in a straight line. Now when you are asked this question, how many times will the hands be in straight line, please understand, when they are making this 180 degree angle they are in straight line, or when they are coinciding, in that also they are in straight line. So you will have to take this position as well as this position. This happens 22 times, this also happens 22 times. So answer for straight line will be 44 times. Okay, yeah. Dhriti, what's your query? Didn't get this point. See, in 12 hours, the minute hand and hour hand, the angle between minute hand and hour hand will become 180 degree for 11 times. This is what I mentioned. So in 24 hours, it will happen for 22 times. Same way, the other questions that can be asked are, how many times the angle between two hands become 90 degree in a day? So that will be different answer. Then how many times will they be in a straight line? So that's another question. Okay, so these are different questions that can be asked. Okay guys, now try for this one. Since we have discussed clock, so it makes sense to discuss calendar also along with that, because clocks and calendars we normally discuss together. However, they are completely different. Okay, so if 1st January 2001 was Monday, then what was the day on 5th March 2009? Guys, tell me one thing, do you know how to solve calendar question, or you want me to explain that? Yeah, you know that, or you want me to explain? Please type it in the chat box so that I can go ahead. Yeah, are you guessing? It looks like a guesswork to me. Okay. Fine guys, let me explain. Everyone just pay attention for 2 minutes. So we are talking about calendars. Right? Okay. Pay attention quickly. So Pranav, no, that's also incorrect. So let's better understand. Guys, suppose this is 1st of the month. This is 1st of July. And suppose 1st of July was Monday. So what will be the day on 30th July? Okay, if I ask you what will be the day on 30th July? Guys, if you know 1st July and if you want to calculate day on 30th July, you will do your calculation up to 29th July. Please remember this point. Different faculty follow different approach. So if you are following my method, you will do the calculation this way. That if you want to calculate the day on a particular date, you will do the calculation a day before that. Remember this rule. So if I know 1st July, right, and if I want to find out the day on 30th July, I'll do my calculation up to 29th July. That's the first point. Now, how many days are there from 1st to 29? Can I say these are 29 days, right? Divide this one by 7. Divide that period by 7 and you will get number. The remainder that you get indicates number of odd days. And in calendar question, you will always calculate number of odd days. So 29 divided by 7, remainder is 1. That means 1 odd day. That means the calendar in this period will move ahead by 1 day. So if this was Monday, this will be Tuesday. Everyone, very simple. Now, if you want, you can check it this way also. 1st July was Monday. So can I say 8th July will also be Monday? Then can I say 15th July will also be Monday? Everyone, do you agree with me? 22nd July will also be Monday. 29th July will also be Monday. So 30th July, which we had to find out, should be Tuesday. But instead of doing all these things, what we did is If we want to find out the day on 30th July, first point we'll do the calculation up to 29 July. 1 to 29, this is a 29 days period. Divide that period by 7. Whatever remainder you get, it's called number of odd days. And your calendar will move forward by odd day. Right? Have you all understood this? Show me a thumbs up if you are clear up to this point so that I can explain the next point. Great. So let's understand this way. Guys, if I take a period of 8 years, if I take a period of 8 complete years, say 2001 to 2008, right? These are 8 years. In every year, each year will be either a normal year or a leap year. In the normal year, there are 365 days and 365 divided by 7, remainder is 1. So each normal year will leave one remainder, one odd day. Each leap year has 366 days, 366 divided by 7, remainder is 2. So that means there will be 2 odd days. So this is what you need to remember. In a normal year, there is 1 odd day. In a leap year, there are 2 odd days, right? Sakshi, but 30 divided by 7, remainder is 2. So Tuesday, no, this is not a correct logic. Just think for a while. What if the first day was Wednesday? The first day was Wednesday. 1st of July was Wednesday. Then according to you, you will give some other answer. That's not correct. Right. Whenever you divide a period by 7, whatever you obtain is called odd day. It's very simple thing. So if I take a period of 8 years, can I say there were 2 leap years, 2004 and 2008, and there were 6 normal years, there were 2 leap years. Each normal year has 1 odd day, each leap year has 2 odd days. So number of odd days are 6 plus 4, 10. There are 10 odd days. Right? Now divide this 10 again by 7 because odd day will be something from 0 to 6. Okay, so divide it by 7, so you will get remainder as 3. So just remember this part. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you is now, if 1st Jan 2001, remember this, understand this point. Why have I done all this calculation? So it's this one. If 1st Jan 2001 was Monday, then 1st Jan 2009 will be 3 days ahead of that, because see what we did is we did calculation 1 day before. That means we did calculation up to 31st December 2008. हमने कैलकुलेशन यहां तक किया 31st December 2008 तक कैलकुलेशन किया है. So you know this is a period of 8 complete years. 8 complete years. Right, and in this 8 complete years we got 3 effective odd days. So that means 1st Jan 2009 will be actually 3 days ahead than this one. इससे 3 दिन आगे जाओ, go 3 days ahead of that. So 1 day ahead from Monday is Tuesday, 2 days ahead means Wednesday, and 3 days ahead means Thursday. So this is going to be Thursday. Right, now I got 1st Jan 2009. I want to find out 5th March 2009. Now 2009 was a normal year, so in February month there must have been 28 days, right? So if I want to find out 5th March 2009, I'll have to do calculation up to 4th March. Now guys, tell me how many days are this? 1st Jan to 4th March. Can I say complete Jan month? That means 31 days. Then complete Feb month, and it's a non-leap year 2009. So 28 days, 31 plus 28, it's 59. And 4 days of March, because we need to do calculation up to 4th March. So 4 days of March, so it will come out to be 59 plus 4, 63. So this period will generate 63. This is a period of 63 days. So 63 divided by 7, remainder is 0. That means this has to be Thursday. Same. So my answer is option C. This is Thursday. Of course, I have explained you the complete calendar over here. Actually, when you solve this question, it is a 2-step question. Everyone, this is how normally students do it in actual exam. Once you have understood the question, once you have understood the concept. 2001 to 2008, 8 years, 2 leap year, 6 normal years. 6 normal year matlab 6 into 1, 6 odd days. 2 leap year matlab 2 into 2, 4 odd days. 6 plus 4, 10 matlab total 3 odd days in this period. So if 1st Jan 2001 was Monday, then 1st Jan 2009 should be Thursday. Once we have got 1st Jan 2009, now we'll calculate 1st Jan to 4th March period, which will come out to be 63, divide by 7, 0 odd days. So 5th March has to be Thursday. It will take me, if I do it in my mind, it will take me about 30 seconds to solve this question. Can you do it next time onwards in 30 to 40 seconds, guys? You should not be spending more than 30-40 seconds on a calendar question, right? Can you do it, guys? Pakka? Okay, so press the like button quickly. If you can do it, then press the like button. Chalo, jaldi se. Those who don't understand Hindi, when I say chalo jaldi se, chalo jaldi se means I'm asking you to do hurry up. Okay? These are certain phrases that I'll keep using. So you can just note down this thing separately. I'm along with Quant, I'll also teach you Hindi, a bit of Hindi, right? And you can also teach me a bit of Tamil. I know a bit of Telugu, Ella Unnaru, and Me Malli Kalsi Nanduku Chala Santosham. I know a bit of that, right? Chappu. Yeah. Okay, great. Fine, guys. Great. See, there's a smile on the faces. Okay, so let's go ahead. Fine. Can you please try to solve this question, everyone? L1 and L2 are two parallel lines. The angles marked with same symbol are also equal. Okay, so actually this, let's take this angle as y. So both of these are y degree. These two angles are x degree. And these two are, let's take as z degree. Right? Oh my god, again this option. I don't know what has happened this one. Guys, just ignore the option. You know, the options have been shuffled. Something has happened. My PowerPoint is corrupted, it looks like. What options were there over here? Yeah, absolutely. These are wrong options, guys. Yeah, great. Guys, but first of all, please tell me the answer for this one. There is no option available. So you need to solve on your own and you need to tell me. If you want, you can connect this two line as well. Just connect this two line. Uh-oh, not this way properly. And let's give some names. So let's assume this is point P. Here, let's take point Q. This is point R. And let's take this as S, T, U, and this as V. So now it will be better for us. And of course, we need point over here also, M. Right? So even if we find out this 2x, I mean, we can find out the other thing, na? If I find out this complete angle, that is 2x. If I get value of 2x, I can also find out value of x. Isn't that? Guys? Yup. Looks slightly complicated figure, but it's not that difficult question, by the way. So let me just simplify in case if you're not able to figure out things. This is how the situation is. So there are two transverse. These are basically two transverse because these are two parallel lines, L1, L2. And there is one more line that we have connected over here. And we need to find out basically this angle. So half of that is x. Dhriti is saying 45 degree. Okay. What about others? So try for this one, everyone. And type your answer in the chat box. See, what I can say over here is, you know, if this is 2y, so this has to be 2y, right? And what will be this angle basically? Can I say this is y, so this has to be y, everyone? So we got this value over here. Same way, what will be this one? 180 minus 2y. So this complete will also be 180 minus 2y, right? Which is given as z. So I'll get 2z equal to 180 minus 2y, or I'll get z equal to 90 minus y, or I'll get y plus z as 90. Adriti, I need to check. So guys, what we got over here is 9 plus y plus z is 90, right? Y plus z is 90, and of course we know this one. So this is y, so y plus z we got as 90, so 2x is 90, 2x is 90, so x will be 45. Correct. So answer is 45 degree. Did you understand this, what I was doing, guys? Or you were just trying to understand Hindi and Tamil? How about others? Nicole and Robin. Nicole, are you there? Then we have Sakshi, Pranav, Dhriti. Dhriti has already answered. Diya. What about you guys? Nicole, what's your answer? Sakshi? Yeah. Pranav? Great. Got it. So this was just because the figure had been drawn that way. Of course, there can be an easier way also. This is because I am just doing it in a rhythm, but I'm sure there must be some other way. Okay, this is not that complicated question, particularly when it has been asked in MAT. You don't think so much, right? So just take it easy. Okay, so guys, few more question. This one, please try for this question, everyone. This is a SNAP question, actually, not MAT. It's a SNAP question. Three pipes A, B, C can fill a tank from empty to full in 30, 20 and 10 minutes respectively. So of course, efficiency of pipe C is high. If I just want to write it this way, A, B, C, that time, or I can say the minutes, time in minutes are 30, 20 and 10. So that means that efficiency ratio will be 1 by 30 is to 1 by 20 is to 1 by 10, or you can say 1 by 3 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 1, right? Now if I want, I can multiply all this by 6, so I'll get that efficiency ratio as 2 is to 3 is to 6, right? And A, B and C discharge chemical solutions PQR respectively. So A discharge P, this discharge Q, this discharge R. So these are the solution that they pour. What is the proportion of solution R in the liquid in the tank after 3 minutes? Okay, so guys, efficiency matlab, suppose in 1 minute this P discharge 2 liters of liquid A, this pipe A discharge 2 liters of liquid P, pipe B discharge 3 liters of liquid Q, and pipe R discharge 6 liters of liquid R. Pipe C discharge 6 liters of liquid R, right? Let's assume this is efficiency per minute. So can I say in 3 minutes, correct, the portion of P will be 2 into 3, 6 liters. Portion of Q will be 3 into 3, 9 liters. And portion of R, liquid R, will be 6 into 3, 18 liters. Okay? Yeah. So what is this total? 6 plus 9, 15 plus 18, 33. So out of the 33 liters, 18 liters are of liquid R. So this is the fraction 18 by 33, or you can say 6 by 11. It was a simple question, very simple question, right? Correct. Have you all understood? So if we know that time, we can find out their efficiency, and once we have got their efficiency, we can easily calculate that what portion of liquid P will be there, what portion of liquid Q will be there, and what portion of liquid R will be there over there, right? So our objective was to do it in a step-by-step manner, so I have written all these things. Otherwise it takes just 2 steps for you. If once you have practiced sufficient question of time and work, it will take just 2 steps for you to solve it. Okay guys, now let's look at this one, this question. Okay, so this is the last set for today. We need to solve this thing. It's completely based on ratio, proportion and numbers. So Delhi Public School has 3480 students in 8 classes, right? Just a moment. Guys, read the question please quickly. So there are total 3480 students in 8 classes. The difference between the number of students in the class with the highest number of students and the least number of students is 472, right? The ratio of the students in class 6 to 3rd is 7:6, and ratio of students in class 7 to 4th is 4:3. Class 8th has 88 more students than class 1st. Matlab, of course there are students from 1st standard to 8th standard, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay, so now we need to figure out what are these values basically. Someone has got the answer 168, is it? Total number of students are 3480. Aditya Deshmukh is saying B. Aditya, is it for this question that you are trying to solve? Yep. Okay. Previous one, sorry. Okay. Fine guys. So can you quickly tell me? So let me just write down. In the meantime, you can also do it side by side. Okay. We'll have to prepare the data. Difference between these two is of course given as 472. So acha, not this one. Highest and lowest is given as 472. Sorry. The ratio of students in class 6 to 3 is 7:6. So 6th class and 3rd is 7:3. So let me take this as 7x and this as 3x. Ratio of students in 7th to 4th is 4:3. So since we have already used x, we can't use it once again. So we'll have to take 4y and 3y. While class 8th has 88 more students than first class. So first class में जो भी students है, class 8 में उससे 88 ज़्यादा, and second class has 328 students. So this value we got directly. Class 4th has 40 more students than class 5th. So 4th has 40 more students than 5th. So if 4th is 3y, so this should be 3y minus 40, right? Only then this has 40 more. Class 1st has 208 students more than class 7th. So 7th is 4y. So this should be how many? 4y plus 208. And it is known that class 5th has the least number of students and class 6th has the highest number of students. So this is least, okay, and this is highest. So I can say 3y minus 40 equal to 7x plus, can I say 472. Class 6th has the least, so this is least and this is highest. Remember this. So highest is 472 more than the least. Right guys, you solve it, I am also solving it here. So you will get one equation, 3y minus 7x equal to 512. This is first equation. Okay. And one more thing, class 8th has 88 more students than the first class. So from this one, this is 88 more. So it will come out to be 4y plus 208 plus 88 is 396. Correct? So now these are the values that we have, and all this value add up to 3480. So we have one equation over here, and if I add all the values, it will come out to be how many x? 3x plus 7x, 10x. So 10x plus 4y plus 3y, 7y plus 3y, 10y, 14y, 18y plus 18y equal to plus this numbers 208, 328. So 208 plus 328 is 536 minus 40, 496 plus 396. $496 plus is the and what is that, 8th class? 8th, while 8th class has 88 more students than first class. So this one is 96. So 296 equal to 3480. Okay, so this will come out to be what? 500 plus 300, 800, 792. So this will come out to be 10x plus 18y equal to 792. Huh. Dhriti, we have just arranged the data that is given. Okay, so you can just check after the session. You can just watch this video once again, so you'll understand those things. I'm just arranging the data, Dhriti, nothing much. Okay, guys. Fine. So you will get these two equations. By the way, can you please quickly solve these two equations? 10x plus 18y equal to 2688. Let me just write here 10x plus 18y equal to 2688 and minus 7x plus 3y equal to 512. So minus 7x plus 3y equal to 512. Okay, so I can write this one. If I multiply the complete equation by 6, I'll get minus 42x plus 18y equal to 512 into 6. It will be 3060. Now let's make it let's change the sign. No, but this is going wrong. Okay guys, just check this thing. Let's check all the calculations once again. Let's do it once again, everyone. So let's assume these are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Those who didn't get, I'm solving it once again because it looks like there's some problem with the numbers 7th and 8th, because the value was coming to be negative, which should not come ideally. So let me just write down the values over here. Another constraint is of course space constraint. We don't have much space. And total we have 3480 students. This is the total number of students. Please remember this thing. Now what they are saying is, first of all, let's write down those division which has known number of students. So second class has 328 students. So let me just straight away write down 328 students. Do we know strength of any other class? No. Class 6th has the highest number of students. 5th has least number of students. So this is least and this is highest. Okay. Guys, now look at this one. Class 4th has 40 more students than class 5th. Okay, and class 1st has 208 more students than class 7th. Okay, fine. So we'll have to go in the order only. Everyone, so ratio of students in class 6 to 3rd is 7:6. 6 to 3rd is 7:6. So if this is 7x, this will be 6x. First thing. 6th standard to 3rd standard is 7:6. Ratio of students in class 7 to 4th is 4:3. 7 to 4th. So I have taken this as 4y. So this will become 3y. 8th has 88 more students than first class. And we don't know how many students are there in first class, but class reading further, class 2 has this one. Class 4th has 40 more students than the 5th class. Okay. Class 1 first has 208 students more than class 7th. So 7th is 4y. So first should be 4y plus 208. Okay. Now we need to find out 5th and 8th. So let's once again see if we are getting some data. Read that once again. The ratio of students in this one is taken care. 7 to 4th is taken care. Class 8th has 88 more students than first class. And I know first class. So now can I find out class 8th should be 88 more than this, right? So 4y plus 208 plus 88 will be 4y plus 296, correct? And class 4th has 40 more students than 5th class. So 4 has 40 more. So 5th has 40 less. So 3y minus 40, correct? So these are the values that we got, guys. And now coming back to this one, the difference between the number of students in the class with the highest number of students and the least number of students is 472. So how am I making two equations, guys? Please understand. Highest and lowest difference is given. This is given as 472. That means 7x minus 3y minus 40 is given as 472. And the other equation that I have is sum of all these values. So sum of all these values is 3480. Now what is sum of all these values? So if you just check x, how many x are there? 6x plus 7x, 13x. So we have total 13x over here. And how many y's do I have? If I add all this value first to 8, so there will be 4y, then 3y, 7y, plus 3y, 10y, plus 14y, plus 4y. It's 18y, positive 18y, right? And then these numbers, 208 plus 328. What is 208 plus 328? It's 536 minus 40. So 536 minus 40 is 496. Plus 296. What is 496 plus 296? Can I say 500 plus 300 is 800? Subtract 8 out of that. So it will be 792. So this is 792. So now we have this two equation. Guys, can you please solve these two equations? Everyone, please solve this two equation and you will get the answer. Right? So let me just write it over here once again. 7x minus 3y. I'm just writing the equation once again over here. 7x. Look at this two equation. If you want, you can quickly copy this two equation. 7x minus 3y plus 40 equal to 472. So I can say 472 minus 40, it's 432. 7x minus 3y equal to 432. And the second equation will be 13x plus 18y. 13x plus 18y equal to 3480 minus 792. 3480 minus 792. So this will come out to be 2688, right? Yeah. Now you do one thing, you multiply this equation by 6, right? So if you multiply this by 6, this will become 42x, this will become minus 18y, and this will become 400, 6 are 2400 plus 198, 2598, right? And if you just add this, this will get cancelled off. So 42x plus 13x, it's 55x, which is equal to 2598 plus 2688. Okay, so this is how it is coming out, 2598 plus 2688. But guys, the only problem is, yeah, okay, because this is coming out to be a number not divisible by this one. That's the problem. It should not be this number. So if you just add this thing, it will be 2600 plus 2700, 5300 minus 14 by 2. Guys, this is how you are getting, but then the problem is this number should be completely divisible by this one because x can't be decimal, right? So in fact, let's do one thing, let's stop here. You can try for this question, and I'll just post the answer on the group. Sir, it is 2492. Which one is 2492? Oh, see, this one is 2492. Are you talking about this one? 432 into 6, 6 4s are 2400, and 32 6 are, no. So guys, do one thing, let's stop it here. You can try for this question and I'll post the answer on the group. Is that okay, guys? Let's wind it here. I'll just check that once again and I'll post the answer. Oh, the sorry, 2592, guys. Okay, we got that. 432 into 6, so 32 6 are 192, so it should be 2592. Okay guys, we got it. It's 2592 by the way. So if I add this two, it will come out to be, see this thing, 2592 plus 2688, so it will be 5280, right? Is that correct, guys? This is what, 8 less and 12 less, 20 less. This is again coming out to be some decimal value. It should not be decimal, right? Because this number is not divisible by 11. Oh, it's divisible by 11, guys. Array, x will be, we will get it. See, 8 plus 5, 13 minus 2. It's 11. It's divisible by 11. So 5280 divide by 55. So it will be 55 9s are 495. And this will come out to be what? 33. 0. 55 6 are, x will come out to be 96. Guys, we got the answer. Chalo, x came out to be 96. Now let's quickly figure out what are the values. So what is the total number of students in the 5th class? Acha, we got value of x, so I'm sure you can find out value of y. This is correct. Everyone, are you okay with this? Have you all understood? So answer will, this is correct. Now there is no mistake in the calculation, right? Okay, चलो जल्दी से एक बार thumbs up दिखा दो. अब आगे का आप लोग solve कर लेना, because once you have got x, you can get y and you can answer all the questions. Yeah, straight. The only thing was to arrange this data, and of course the main problem was this lack of space. We are doing in too congested manner, so of course we may miss out, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. See you for the next class. 5 o'clock geometry, and 9 o'clock we are going to start with progression. Be there.